Welcome back to another Fackin' Friday. Today we are in the kitchen with our brand new pantry door. This is our front-facing pantry, so all of the shelves are on the outside. With our reverse pantry, this is a glass panel and the shelves are on the inside. This door is 8 1/4 inch deep. This is how much space you're gonna need clearance-wise inside of your pantry. Everybody asks how much clearance you need for your existing shelves. With the 8 1/4 inch door, it's roughly about 3 inches, and all of this is wall space. But you can see with the 36 inch door, you get a decent amount of pass-through space into your pantry. This door comes with 2 adjustable spice rack shelves, the fixed shelf, and an adjustable shelf that you can either put down below or up top, and you can always add on more shelves if you like, or add cabinet doors like you see here. This door comes in any of our wood options, along with any of those stains, as well as different paint grades, so that you can match your existing cabinetry and have it blend in with the rest of your kitchen.